Before jacking the car, loosen the lug nuts. Don't take them off, just get them loose. Find some good supporting structure on the frame and jack the vehicle. Now that the tire is free from the ground, we can remove the remaining lug nuts. Play it safe. Don't trust a jack. Use some additional support. Remove the 2 caliper retaining bolts. Remove the caliper. This can be a bit fussy. Sometimes you have to jockey it back and forth. Once removed, set the caliper off to the side as not to apply too much stress to the flex line. Now remove the pads. And the retaining clips. Take note of their position. This will come in useful later. If needed, knock the corrosion off the rotor. In the engine compartment, driver's side, remove the brake fluid reservoir cap to vent the system. Keeping the C-clamp centered, compress the brake caliper piston. Verify freedom of movement of the caliper floating mount points. Here are the old parts on top with the new parts on the bottom: pads, retaining clip, and anti-squeal compound. Apply anti-squeal compound to any brake pad contact point. Install the brake pad retaining clips. Install the brake pads. It may be necessary to open the retaining clip slightly to allow the pad to slide in. Also notice the addition of anti-squeal compound. Place the caliper in its mounting position. Apply anti-seize compound to the brake caliper mounting hardware, then install. Apply anti-seize compound to the wheel lugs. Jack the vehicle and remove the jack stand. Now reinstall the tire. Now it's time to lower the vehicle and put the final torque onto the lug nuts. Don't forget to reinstall the cap onto the master cylinder in the engine compartment. And a note, do not be alarmed when that brake pedal goes all the way to the floor. You're going to have to operate it multiple times to get that cylinder to come into a contact position with the new brake pads. Well, I hope this was helpful. This is the real cheap and dirty method of doing brakes.